In this lecture, we will learn how to use Python code to generate a calendar for a specified month and year. Up at the top of the code, the first step is to import Python's calendar module with an import statement. Then we will create a variable named cal and set it equal to calendar.html calendar. This will create an HTML calendar object. The next step is to print out to the console the calendar for the year and month that we want. To do this, we can use the calendar object's format month function and pass in the year as the first argument and the month as the second argument. For example, we will supply the first argument, the year 2020, and the second argument, the month, 8, which stands for August, the 8th month for a year. Okay, now we can run the code. You will notice that there was a bunch of HTML code printed. This is the code we need to display our calendar in a web browser. But how do we actually run this code? First, let's go to w3schools.com/tryit. Then we will click the green Try It Yourself button, which will open up an editor where we can add HTML code. Inside of the body tags, there is some code. Let's remove this code. Then we can copy and paste the code from our PyCharm console in between the body tags in the W3Schools HTML code editor. Let's click the green Run button. On the right-hand side, you will notice the calendar for the month and day we specified is displayed. Right now, the cells are very close together, and the titles are squished. Let's fix that by changing the values of the cell padding and cell spacing attributes to 10. When we run the code, you will notice the calendar cells are a bit more spaced out. In the next lecture, we will look at a recap of what we learned in this section of the course.